this is how we're setting up the HYA pen 0.3 mil. You have to unscrew the pen all the way to the end of the scale. Just unscrew all the way to 0. Then we take the ampoule. I already opened. And that's how it looks like. It's for one-time use or one treatment. That's the 0.3 ampoule. To take the plunger out. For the purpose of this video, I'm not using a filler, but I'm using a rubbing alcohol, so that's why it's green. But that's how the filler usually comes in, this kind of syringe. I'm gonna show you how it looks like in the box. This is an open one. It comes in the syringe and 2 needles to fill this ampoule, but I'm not using the needles to do it. I'm gonna show you how to use it without the needle. So then we have the filler. We have to open the top. Take the ampoule. And always fill the ampoule up to 15. No more, because you have to have some room when you're screwing that pen. So you put it up here. The filler. Filling up slowly up to 15. It's coming out because it's more liquidy. Usually the filler is less liquidy. And you put the plunger in slowly all the way till the filler is gonna come out a little bit, to make sure there's no air, you see. There you go. Now this ampoule I'm gonna put on top of the pen, screw it in. Next up, we have to twist it all the way till something comes out. To make sure there is no air. Right. And then after that, when we already set it up, we have to set the pressure and then set the scale on how many we want at one shot. For example, 0.01, which is one line, 0.02 usual to, which is 2 lines. I'm not really using for the pen 0.3 more than 0.01, 0.02 lines, so 1 or 2 lines. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna use 5 lines. So you have to twist it all the way, 5 lines. Here's the button in the end. You press it when you're ready. There you go. And again, for the next shot, set it up, the pressure. Let's do 5 lines. Press the button. There you go. Every time we have to set it up the pressure with the handle and then setting up how many lines we want. All the way till we finish the whole ampoule. when we are already out of everything here, we just unscrew it and do everything with the filler again, the same, until we finish the filler, or we can leave it for another treatment in like 2 weeks. But then this ampoule will go to trash because it's only for one treatment.